Get a flex on the edge.
Yeah, Ngenela ngiyacela masango sivulele baba siyacela ithemba lonke silibheke kuwe Ngenela ngiyacela masango sivulele baba siyacela ithemba lonke silibheke kuwe bonke ngibabeka emthandazwe ngibacelela impumele bonke ngibabeka emthandazwe ngibacelela impumele bonke ngibabeka emthandazwe ngibacelela impumele bonke ngibabeka emthandazwe ngibacelela impumele. This is a prayer for hope. I know that it's hard, but keep holding on. Always get down on your knees. Ubonge umdali, you'll always be strong. Impilo inzima yabona abaningi balahla ithawul. Abanye bathatha ama-drugs. Ithemba balahlele phansi. Yabona lamantombazane basithwala besasebancane. Bazali bahlala bekhala, bahlala bezibuza kwenzakalani. Family's always disintegrating, it's just getting crazy every day. Social distancing ivele khona, but manje bavale corona. Okunje angaze ngakubona umphakathi ugcwele inzondo. If you succeed bathi suloy, mangahlupheka bathi waloy. Ngenela ngiyacela masango sivulele baba siyacela ithemba lonke silibheke kuwe Ngenela ngiyacela masango sivulele baba siyacela ithemba lonke silibheke kuwe bonke ngibabeka emthandazwe ngibacelela impumele bonke ngibabeka emthandazwe ngibacelela impumele bonke ngibabeka emthandazwe ngibacelela impumele bonke ngibabeka emthandazwe ngibacelela impumele. I know people that go to work in that early morning for that minimum wage. I know people that's in the streets with no jobs but still getting paid. That's the reason kids dropping out of them schools every day. Cause if you can't teach how to get rich, then why the hell should I stay? Lana sibanenge silahlekile kodwa siyakhubana njengesiphofu. Always dealing with the tribalism kodwa we are from the same God. Abanye baphila lemkhuhlane ngeke bekutshele ayikhona ngoba bayazi uzosola. Society bringing us all down. You know they be sharing us all out. Umdala uzovula songena ngoba bayazi uzosola. Society bringing us all down. Ngenela ngiyacela masango sivulele baba siyacela ithemba lonke silibheke kuwe Ngenela ngiyacela masango sivulele baba siyacela ithemba lonke silibheke kuwe bonke ngibabeka emthandazwe ngibacelela impumele bonke ngibabeka emthandazwe ngibacelela impumele bonke ngibabeka emthandazwe